Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler. We got some silver and black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do, of course, get a remote start with this vehicle, which allows a nice warm car during the winter months. License plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get a hook to hold your things down, 12 volt, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, with storage underneath with a spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, that little handle here, floor mats, carpet interior, rear vents with 2 USB-Cs, adjustable rear seats with cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 71,888 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We get a digital speedometer with this vehicle with My View, trip and fuel status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, dry modes, and auto stop start with cup holders, storage and outlets, as well as you get your storage in your center console, and dual climate up front with heated front seats and heated steering wheel, hazards and media controls, storage in the glove compartment, and looking here, we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We have our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8120, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.